Welcome to Odin's workshop. Today I'm going to replace the fuel tank on an Ariens ST 824 snowblower. The other day I noticed my snowblower had a small puddle of gas under its gas tank. It looks like there's a crack in the side of the tank. Maybe I hit something this past winter in one of our big storms. I bought this snowblower used about 10 years ago, and I believe it's from 1994. So this plastic tank lasted about 30 years. I had to replace the shutoff valve last year because it was leaking. I checked online and there was a Tecumseh replacement tank for about $40. This fuel tank is the standard one for Tecumseh engines from this time period. I like to shop local when I can, and I found a shop with one kicking around. I was able to get a tank and a 1-foot section of fuel line for $10. The fuel line was really wedged on there. I've already bled out the line and ran it dry for the summer. The fuel valve is closed, the gas has stabilizer in it, so I can tilt it into the maintenance position without gas leaking out. So I'm going to tilt the machine so the tank doesn't leak out when I remove it. There are two bolts that thread into the plastic gas tank. The bolts need a 3/8 of an inch socket. I'm draining the remaining gas into one of my fuel tanks. I removed the cap to help the fuel flow faster. This was going too slow, so I'm just going to pour from the cap. Here is the slot that the metal bracket nests into to support the tank. You have to kind of shimmy it into place and make sure the holes for the screws line up. I suppose I could have removed the top metal bracket entirely. Looks like that fit into place correctly. Be careful not to pinch the fuel line. Now that the holes are lined up, I'll replace the screws. Do not over-tighten these, you'll strip the plastic threads that screw into the gas tank. I'm replacing the short fuel line coming off the gas tank because it's dry rotted. First, I'm going to make a clean, straight cut on the new section of fuel line. The fuel line hose is rubber reinforced with plastic braided fibers. Some people may use the worm gear hose clamps, but I haven't had a problem with these spring pinch clamps leaking. With the new fuel tank installed, I'm ready for winter. Thanks for watching.